Hello everyone, wagwan, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be exploring the incredible benefits of owning a vacation home as a way of creating multiple streams of income, even during challenging times like a recession. If you've ever wondered about the advantages of investing in a second property or generating income from various sources, you're in the right place, okay? We will deep dive into the numerous benefits that come with having a vacation home and building multiple streams of income. In today's video, we're going to discuss how owning a vacation home can be a smart move for financial security and personal enjoyment. Let's dive in. During a recession, many people worry about their financial stability, but owning a vacation home can actually provide several unique advantages that make it a valuable asset in uncertain times. Here are the key benefits to consider. One of the most significant benefits of owning a vacation home during a recession is diversification. While traditional investments like stocks and bonds may experience volatility, a vacation home provides a tangible and stable asset. Real estate tends to hold its value and can even appreciate over time, offering a level of stability that can protect your wealth during economic downturns. Additionally, if you decide to rent out your vacation home, it can generate a steady stream of income, right? People still need places to stay during tough times, and vacation rentals can be an attractive option for those seeking affordable getaways. This income can help offset any financial challenges you may face during a recession. And guys, in this video, we're just showing you the layout of the property before any design or any final touches are done. We have everything here that was bought brand new. Everything is fresh out of the package because we wanted our guests to have that unique experience and feeling like they've booked somewhere that they can feel luxurious. Okay, so we're just giving you a run through. You'll see various clips throughout the video showing you the before everything is done. Another major benefit of owning a vacation home is the personal enjoyment it brings, especially during difficult times. When the world feels uncertain, having a private retreat to escape to can provide a much needed respite. Imagine the peace and tranquility of enjoying a break in your own vacation home, surrounded by nature or in a location you love. This can be an invaluable source of stress relief and rejuvenation during a recession. Owning a vacation home also gives you the flexibility to use it whenever you need a break, right? You don't have to worry about booking accommodations or dealing with crowded tourist destinations. It's your personal sanctuary, available at your convenience. Another benefit is the potential for rental income, right? Who doesn't want to make money? While personal use is fantastic, guys, you can also capitalize on the income potential of your vacation home during a recession. As mentioned earlier, many people still seek affordable getaways, and vacation rentals offer an attractive alternative to expensive hotels. By renting out your property, you can generate additional income to cover expenses or even turn it into a profitable venture. And this is me driving to the property after leaving work. This is like 11 something at night. Guys, it will require dedication and hard work. It will not be easy, but do enjoy the process and the reward will be great. You gotta put the work in, guys. You gotta make sacrifices. You gotta sacrifice your sleep. I was so tired, but I've got work to do. So here I am driving to the vacation home. And here I am in this portion of the video unboxing and setting up the bedside lamp for the bunk bedroom. Now, guys, one other benefit I want to point out is that during a recession, some homeowners may need to downsize or consolidate their finances. So, what this does, it creates an opportunity for you to acquire additional properties at a lower price, right? By expanding your vacation home rental portfolio, you can further increase your income potential and secure a stronger financial position for the long term. All right, and let's not forget about the potential tax advantages of owning a vacation home during a recession. Depending on your circumstances and local tax regulations, you may be eligible for tax deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and other expenses related to your vacation home. Consult with your tax professional to understand how these deductions can benefit you and further enhance the financial advantages of owning a vacation home. Okay, guys? So here I am unboxing the sheets, curtains. That's mom right there helping out. When I say it's a lot of work, it is a lot of work. Hard working men at work. Yes, that's what I like to see, you know, hard working men. And guys, when I say this will take a lot of work, it will, especially if you're not hiring professionals to do your work. We did everything ourselves. We did not outsource, so it did require a lot of dedication. My little sister is the main brain box behind this. She's the one that started the movement, the company, and I'm one of the managers. And we are here as a family helping her on ground while she was overseas in the military.
People wanna know what happened? We were busy at work and they get to call the gas company, so now we have no gas can cook. So we're going to have to buy food. Yes, that is what is going on. No? Okay, people, so this will have to pause. I'm going on the road to get food.
So now I'm gonna go in and just show you some video clips and photos of the before and after. Enjoy. Okay guys, we really appreciate you sticking around with us up to this point. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you're notified every time we upload a new content. Comment below if you like this video. If you have any questions, please let us know. We will be leaving in the description box below links so that you can create your very own listing on vacation home property listing websites. Okay, we wish you all the best with your venture as we together create multiple streams of income.